Well, this year we're introducing a new product line with additives, fuel additives. We are launching 24 varieties of this product line. So it's a complete line for cars and also for agriculture and for the truck sector. Yeah, we're just continuing developing new products, so we have an up-to-date and innovative line of those products. But the specialty, the main product for this event is the additive line. It's completely new for us, and what's also new is not only the product but also the service we are delivering. Special is that we have an online advisor, an additive advisor, so that people can go to the website and have a look what the problem is with the car, and then they find a solution on our website which product fits with the problem they have. So we try to give service with our brand. Well, we're doing very well. We are delivering our products to 70 countries right now, and it's getting more and more. So that's good news for us. What also is one of our developments that we are going to build a new plant. We're starting next year, and it will be delivered in 2017. So that's also good news for us, but also for our customers.